Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your home practically runs itself, not because you hired someone, but because the technology you once saw in sci-fi movies has quietly stepped into your real life. And in the next 5 years, this will happen faster than you could ever imagine, because home robots are advancing at a pace so explosive it's shocking even the people building them. Picture a world where your floors clean themselves without you lifting a finger. Your laundry folds itself with perfect precision. Your meals cook exactly the way you like them. And when you finally walk through the front door after a long, exhausting day, a robot with expressive digital eyes glides toward you, greets you warmly, and calmly summarizes everything that happened while you were away: the deliveries that arrived, the chores it completed, the temperature adjustments it made, even the suspicious noise it investigated in the backyard. This sounds futuristic, maybe overwhelming, maybe even a little surreal, but it's the world you're walking into whether you choose it or not. Companies are already building these machines, refining them, and preparing them to become as common as smartphones. The first robots you'll likely bring home are personal assistant robots far beyond simple voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home. These will be mobile, intelligent companions equipped with advanced vision, emotion-aware AI, and movement systems that allow them to follow you naturally, anticipate your needs, manage your schedule, track your stress levels based on micro-expressions, hand you objects from across the room, and talk to you in warm, human-like interactions. They'll have faces, digital but expressive smooth animations, and personalities carefully designed to make them feel friendly, comforting, surprisingly alive. After that come kitchen robots, and this is where daily life transforms dramatically. Robotic arms above your stove that chop vegetables with perfect accuracy, sauté dishes while adjusting heat automatically, season food based on your personal preferences, and plate meals at restaurant-level quality. Smart fridges that track every ingredient, analyze what's expiring soon, generate meal plans tailored to your health goals, and communicate directly with the robot chef so dinner is ready the moment you get home. Entire cooking routines from prep to cooking to cleaning handled by machines that never get tired, never make a mess, and never burn your food. Then cleaning robots evolved from simple vacuum cleaners into full house maintenance systems. Compact robots that mop floors, deep clean carpets, scrub bathtubs, sanitize toilets, polish mirrors, wipe windows, dust high shelves using tiny drones, and even reorganize small clutter. Some robots will slide furniture slightly to clean underneath, while others will fold clothes with robotic arms that identify fabrics, sort colors, and stack everything perfectly. Homes will essentially become self-maintaining spaces. Then we enter the world of security robots, autonomous guardians that patrol your property with the precision of a trained officer. Rolling robots that quietly navigate hallways at night, sensing heat signatures, unusual movements, or strange sounds. Small indoor drones that lift off automatically when you're away, scanning your rooms, checking windows, and sending real-time alerts to your phone. They can detect broken glass, carbon monoxide, water leaks, overheating appliances, and intruders long before danger escalates. They react instantly, record everything, and notify you with proactive intelligence instead of just passive observation. Then we move into one of the most emotional categories, elder care and health robots. As the world's population ages, these robots will step in as life-changing companions monitoring vital signs, reminding individuals to take medications, detecting falls in milliseconds, calling doctors if needed, and offering emotional support through conversation, music, games, memory exercises, and gentle companionship. Some will assist with mobility, lifting, or guiding seniors safely around the house. Others will analyze breathing patterns, heart rate variability, and sleep quality and warn families before health problems become emergencies. Finally, we reach entertainment and companion robots, machines built not for chores but for connection. Robot pets that feel emotionally present, respond to your moods, play with you, nudge you for attention, and never shed, bite, or get sick. Humanoid companions that hype you up during workouts, tell jokes when you're stressed, talk with you like a close friend, or simply keep you company on nights when silence feels heavy. These robots will have personalities, quirks, unique ways of responding, creating bonds that feel strangely natural and surprisingly comforting. And here's the truth: within the next 5 years, these robots won't be luxury toys. They'll be as normal as microwaves, TVs, and smartphones. Your home will run itself, your chores will disappear, your routines will optimize themselves without effort, and life will feel smoother, simpler, and almost eerily efficient. But with this convenience comes new questions about privacy, trust, the data these robots collect, and how much of your daily life they'll observe and understand. They will listen, watch, learn, adapt constantly. Are we ready for that level of integration? Are we prepared for homes that feel almost alive? Whether we are or not, the future is racing toward us, and these machines will reshape the very definition of daily life. So what robot are you most excited to own? The chef, the cleaner, the guardian, or the companion? Comment below and let me know. And if this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future is unfolding right in front of us, and you do not want to miss what comes next.